Hi, it's Alan Begg here. Welcome to today's mathematics lesson. Today's lesson is going to be an introduction to algebra. So, what is algebra? The textbook answer would say that algebra is the study of mathematical symbols and the rules for manipulating these symbols in formulas. A simpler way of putting that is that in algebra we substitute numbers for letters. For example, x plus y equals z. In this formula, z is what is called the subject. X plus y equals z. In this formula, the x and the y values are called variables. So the standard format with having numbers would be 5 plus 10 equals 15. The algebra format would be x plus y equals z. In algebra, we substitute numbers for letters. So, in this example, x would be 5, y would be 10, and z would be 15. X plus y equals z, 5 plus 10 equals 15. Substitute numbers for letters. 5 plus 10 equals 15. So x plus y equals z when we use these numbers as an example. A plus b equals c. Now the important thing to remember here is that it doesn't actually matter which letters you use in the formula. The important thing is what numbers the letters are substituting, not the actual letters themselves. So for the same formula, a plus b equals c, we've swapped out these numbers. A equals 5, b equals 10, and c equals 15. A plus b equals c for the numbers 5 plus 10 equals 15. So same as our previous example, which was x plus y equals z. The lesson there is it doesn't matter what the actual letters are that you use, it's the values that these letters represent is the important thing. Here's another example. X plus y equals z when x equals 100, y equals 2, and z equals 102. x plus y equals z, and then those letters stand for these numbers. 100 plus 2 equals 102. So, for the previous examples, we've seen all three numbers to start with. Next thing you need to do is, using the two numbers that you do have, you have to work out what the missing number is. So x plus y equals z, x equals 5, y we don't know, we're going to work that out, z equals 15. So let's put our algebra formula together again. X plus y equals z. Substitute the figures in that we do know. 5 we know is what x equals, y is what we're trying to find out, and 15 is z. So what does y equal? 5 plus what? Which number equals 15? It's 10, isn't it? 5 plus 10 equals 15. So we now know that y equals 10. 5 plus 10 equals 15. What about for these numbers? X equals 315. Again, we're trying to work out what y is, and z is 400. So the format would be x plus y equals z. Substitute the figures in that we do know. We've got 315 plus the number we're trying to work out equals 400. So what does y equal? What's the missing number? So the missing number is 85. 315 plus 85 equals 400. So in this example, y equals 85. In this example, a plus b equals c. So we're doing this one to again show you that it doesn't matter what the actual letters that you use, the rules would be the same if the number values are the same. A plus b equals c. We're looking for b. 85 plus what number equals 400. So again, with the previous example, it's 85. So b would be 85. Doesn't matter what the letters are you're using, it's the number values that the letters represent is the important thing. Let's do a little quiz to see what you have learned so far. We're going to use this formula. A minus b equals c. A equals 20. B we're going to try and establish. That's what we're going to try and work out. And c equals 17. So let's substitute those numbers in for the letters. So we've got 20 minus b equals 17. So what does b equal? 20 minus what equals 17? So this is true for when b equals 3. 20 minus 3 equals 17. That's correct. Next question. X multiplied by y equals z. X equals 5. Y, again, is the variable that we're going to try and work out. And z equals 45. Substitute the numbers that we know into the formula. 5 times y equals 45. So 5 times what equals 45? 5 times which number equals 45? So the answer is 9. 5 times 9 equals 45. Question 3. A divided by B equals C. A is 36. B is what we're going to try and find out again. And C equals 6. Put the numbers into the formula. 36 divided by B equals 6. So what does B equal? 36 divided by which number equals 6? It's 6. 36 divided by 6 equals 6. So B equals 6. Question 4. E divided by F equals G. Here's our numbers. E equals 200. F equals what we're trying to work out. And G equals 25. Substitute the numbers in. 200 divided by F equals 25. So what number divided by 200 equals 25? So that formula is true when F equals 8. 200 divided by 8 equals 25. F equals 8. Next question. A minus B equals C. This time we're going to try and establish what A is. B is 14 and C is 40. Substitute the numbers in. A minus 14 equals 40. So what number minus 14 equals 40? That's true when A is 54. 54 minus 14 equals 40. A equals 54 in this example. Next question. A minus B equals C. Again, we're going to try and work out what A is. B equals 14. C equals 40. So this example is to show you again, it doesn't matter what the letters are that you use in the formula. The important thing is the values of those letters. So it's the exact same. A equals 54. Same answer as question 5. Next question. A squared plus B equals C. A is what we're going to try and work out. B equals 10 and C equals 19. So A squared plus 10 equals 19. So which number squared plus 10 equals 19? So this is true when A equals 3. 3 squared, which is 9, plus 10 equals 19. 9 plus 10 equals 19. So A equals 3. 3 squared plus 10 equals 19. Next question. A squared minus B equals C. A is what we're going to try and work out. B equals 81 and C equals 0. So A squared minus 81 equals 0. So we know that A squared is going to have to be 81, because 81 minus 81 is going to equal 0. So which number squared is 81? So that's 9. So 9 squared minus 81 equals 0. 9 squared is 81. 81 minus 81 equals 0. Question 9. A squared plus B equals C. A is what we're trying to work out. B equals 40 and C equals 56. Put those numbers into the formula. A squared plus 40 equals 56. So what number plus 40 equals 56? So it's 16. 16 plus 40 equals 56. So what number squared equals 16? So that's going to be 4. 4 squared is 16. 4 squared plus 40 equals 56. 16 plus 40 equals 56. Question 10. A cubed minus B equals C. We're going to try and work out what A is. B is 27 and C is 0. Substitute the values in. A cubed minus 27 equals 0. So we know that A cubed has got to be 27. So 27 minus 27 equals 0. So which number cubed equals 27? So that's true for 3 cubed. 3 times 3 times 3, 3 cubed is 27. So for question 10, A equals 3. Next question. A plus 2B equals C. A is what we're going to try and work out. B is 25 and C equals 100. Put those numbers into the formula. A plus 2 times 25, which is 2B, equals 100. So A plus 2 times 25, which is equal to 50. A plus 50 equals 100. So which number plus 50 equals 100? So it's 50. 50 plus 50 equals 100. So for this example, A equals 50. 50 plus 50 equals 100. And the last example, A divided by 3 plus 4B equals C. A is what we're going to try and work out. B is 5 and C is 24. Substitute the numbers in that we already know. A divided by 3 plus 4 times 5 equals 24. So 4 times 5 is 20. So A divided by 3 plus 20 equals 24. So what number divided by 3 plus 20 equals 24? So 12 divided by 3 is 4, plus 20 equals 24. 12 divided by 3 is 4, plus 4 times 5, which equals 20, equals 24. 4 plus 20 equals 24. Thanks again for listening. I hope you found today's lesson interesting and informative. Any questions or inquiries in the comment section, please like, subscribe and share. See you again.